Good evening, guys, and happy new month. Happy new month of April. This is the night of April 1st, Wednesday, 2026. So, and this is the second trade for the day. This one was the fastest, and I was busy with customers then, so I couldn't update you guys. I could not update. So, we took an L here, which was $21, and this is the second buy entry, although it is risky. This is a kind of key level here. This is a kind of key level. Let's go to 30 minutes cycle. Here it is obvious. So this is what I saw. This is what I saw, and hopefully it will hold, because we have, like, the markets have closed for now, and this is looking like it is selling, but I have entered. So, and one of my rules for this month is that any trade I enter, I'm existing not because of fear. I will only exit. Let me say, because let me say, SL, TP, or a matured break even, not closing my trades anyhow. So this one we will not be closing. We will not be closing. Unless it gives us chance for break even, then we break even and it comes back and hit, or it gives us TP. Anyway, anywhere na way. So the market just closed. It will open in the midnight. So let's just watch and see how it plays out. But hopefully it will just respect this key level and the keeps buying. This was where I could have entered at first. This was my supposed entry, but I was waiting for more confirmations. I was waiting for more confirmation. So if I enter there, my stop loss would have been here, then targeting the highs. So, but let's just manage what we see on the table. Hopefully it goes well. So I will update you guys, and the update will be tomorrow. It will not be playing out today, I guess. So tomorrow I will tell you how far. So we have taken a first loss, which was $21, and we are still on this one. As you can see, the market closed long ago. So this drop that it is dropping on the trading view, it have already closed here, and it was a sniper. And so let me just show you guys. This is a view once profit too. This $14 in profit, but I know it will still drop down. But let it not just hit us out. Hopefully it goes well, because this account is coming to an end. Oh. Seriously, this account is going down. So you will hear from me tomorrow about this. Either it was TP or SL. So I will definitely update you guys. Good evening, guys. So, updates on the trade we took yesterday. The second trade we took yesterday, it was a loss after giving us 1 to 3 hours, and we are targeting just 1 to 4 hours. So I would have breaking even, but I was asleep by then. This was, I think, what was the time? This was around 11 p.m. It came back to hit us out by 1 a.m. So I would have breaking even here. This would have been a break even, because it created internal structure here for a buy. So which might likely fail. So I would have breaking even here. But I was fast asleep. So it is what it is. Our risk here was $30 approximately, but it hit us out on $40 loss. So because of this play, as you can see, it was a wide one. Seriously, like, it was a strong push, man. Like, but we got to keep moving. So, by the way, this is the trade we have taken so far. I wasn't uh, at the shop when I took this. So this was the first entry on Sunday night. So it hit us out and kept going our way. This one I closed on $80 loss, because of the way it moved back after giving me some profit. So it still hit us out and went our way. So like I've been getting the directional bias correctly, but it's just that I'm not like the right entry. I don't get the right entry. So that is how this week is going. Seriously, it has been a tough one. It has been a tough one. So and we are about to blow our account. Seriously. So looking here, I'm still calm watching like it's a kind of range. So here I'm expecting a buy on the 50% of this fair value gap. That is starting from here. I might be buy. I'm sorry, sell. I might be selling from here. So and judging from here, if it comes back here, just like what it did here, I was waiting for it on this fair value gap. It came back, swept it, and gave a confirmation for buy here and kept buying. So I would prefer something like this here. It might happen. If it comes here, I will be buying to the upside. That is targeting here. Something like this. This is an order block. This is another block. So I might just buy from here. Let's go and see if there is a kind of what do they call it? So refinement. So this is the refinement. Just this thing is a good PI for me. Let me bring it down to the body of the candle. Then my entry will not be at the body. So targeting the upside. So let's watch if it comes here when the market opens. Then I might be buying. I might be buying. This is a $25 risk. So it's a good one. It's a good one. So and if it gets to the up first and gives me confirmation, I will be selling. That is from here. So let's just target something like this. 1 to 5 hours is a clean, good setup. So if it goes well, it will be good on our account. So and it might just keep buying from here because this is a support that I marked. So that's what we have now on our account. We are down. And by the way, today is what is today's date? Today is Thursday, the 2nd of April. This night of Thursday, the 2nd of April, 2026. So this is our account. Let's check the balance. It has been tough. The account is going. So we are now our equity now is $4,600. Okay, $4,611. This is a credit, which is $50. So we don't count this one. We don't count this $39. So our account now is $4,611. So hopefully we do well tomorrow. If we don't do well, it is remaining like $100 for this account to go. So if it goes, fine. If it didn't go, fine. Anything can happen in the forest industry. So I will update you if I take another trade. So now we are just going back. Seriously, we are going back. So I will update you. Catch you guys tomorrow. Catch you guys tomorrow. So there was no trade today because gold went for Easter holiday. Yes, gold observed Easter feast. So I there was no trade today. The trade was closed. So though some pays like Euro JPY is working, it is trading, but I only trade gold on this account. So far so good. But guys, I'm lucky. Seriously, imagine if it was funded next, we could have just lost the account because they no more hold weekend trades. But thank God it is 5 hours. It is 5 hours for now. So this week we lost $94 in total. So and this is it here. This is it here. We we lost this one immediately. It kept going our way. Then this one it just hit us out like with 1 pips. So we lost here and we lost here. Within this one went for $90 and I could not break even because I was sleeping. So it came out by 1 a.m. and shocked me, gave me the shock of my life. It hit me out. So we couldn't. I was supposed to enter here, but I didn't. I didn't. As if I know that the trade that there will be no trade today, though I didn't know. So next week we do better. So right now our account is left with $100, which is 2% to blow the account. I will post it on the screen. So it is left with $100 for us to blow the account, funded account. So we go again next week. Catch you guys on Monday, and happy Easter. Enjoy and stay safe, guys.